Introducing the 2025 Audi Q230 Tfsi SE in sleek black with a powerful 116 horsepower engine. This estate Jeep features a 1-litre petrol engine and manual transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and more. The interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and loads of storage space. Style and security are covered with LED lights, spoiler, and a powertrain warranty. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Audi. Call us or visit our website at michaelmoore.ie for more information.